Good morning and welcome to another market update for the week of the 20th of July, 2025. We had an interesting week of trading last week. I know personally I capitalized on quite a few trades, um, not getting as much as we did from the previous week, but still a good trading week as well. So let's get right into what I see happening this week. Starting off with my favorite pair for this week, we're gonna go with the Docj.trades. As you can see, we're on a weekly time frame here, and we're still in this bullish momentum. I'm expecting price to get to this level at least, and then maybe we should start selling off once we've gotten to this level. This past week, price got to this area of interest, and we had a bit of rejection, as we can see on the daily time frame. So price initially got to the level, touched, rejected, but then made a recovery on the last 2 days of the trading week. You can see in the 4 hours, we're still in that bullish momentum. So I'm expecting buys. I'm expecting a continuation of this CAD-JPY. Next pair I have is the NZD-USD. In what appears to be a downtrend with price rejecting off of our trend line, rejecting off of our what turned out to be our resistance at this level, and then selling. So I expect a continuation of this sell this upcoming week. Let's put our daily. So this is a retest of that trend line. What I want to see happen is for price to fill this wick, or at least retrace the level of the wick, and then continue selling down to support. So that's what I want to see happen this week. So it's all sales for me on the NZD-USD. I think this would coincide with the strength of the DXY. So you can see DXY is increasing in its strength. We did reject this area of interest earlier in the week, but we gained some momentum as we got down to this trend line. I expect that to continue. I expect continued momentum, and hopefully we can break this area of resistance, turn it into support with the help of it. Right? So that should coincide with the sells in the NZD USD. Euro USD should pretty much be the same thing. I expect price to retest it, check and sell. USD CAD, I expect this to continue the uptrend, broke this trend line, and so have bullish momentum now. We tested this area of resistance or area of interest. We broke through, then we rejected on Thursday, retesting the area. This is what I expect. I expect a continuation to the upside. What I want to see is price breakage once again, retest this area, and then make its way to the upside. So what we might be able to do, or what we can do, is wait for price to break through the area, retest this area of interest, and then get in the trade, right? This would be the ideal trade. Breakthrough, the retest, and then you enter. Last one, GBP CAD has been selling nicely. Creation of this trend line. I would love to see price retest this area and then breakthrough. Now we've got an important area of support here. So we might not be able to get a sell all the way down. So look out for that. But this is what I want to happen, however. I want price to sell and break through the area. And so that's it. Those are my pairs for this week. We've got quite a bit of news coming up this week with the euro. So watch out for those as well. And good luck with your trading.